मैं रजिंदर कौर लैक्चरर कैमिस्ट्री शहीद सुखविंदर सिंह सरकारी सीनियर सैकेंडरी स्मार्ट स्कूल मल्लांवाला खास। अज मैं तुहाडे सामने +2 का फस्ट चैप्टर सलूशन का शुरू करन जा रही हाँ। सलूशन दे विच असीं फस्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट करांगे सलूशन तो। नाउ वट इज़ सलूशन। सो वट इज़ सलूशन तुसीं +1 दे विच भी पढ़िया है सलूशन, ठीक है। सलूशन का मतलब की है? सलूशन इज़ द होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ two components, homogeneous mixture of two components that may be non reacting भी हो सकते ने, reacting भी हो सकते ने, तो उन्हां दी जिहड़ी कंसनट्रेशन है वो सर्टन लिमिट तक वेरी कर सकती है, ठीक है। उन्होंने असीं कहने आ सलूशन। होमोजीनियस तुसीं +1 च पढ़िया कि होमो का मतलब की हुंदा है ते जीनियस का मतलब की हुंदा है। होमो मीनस वन, जीनियस मीन फेस। The solution which has the uniform composition that is called the homogeneous solution. So the substances which make the solution that are called the components. Depending upon how many components are present in the solution, the solutions may be binary, made up of two components, made up ternary, made up of three components, quaternary, made up of four components. Generally we will discuss about the binary solution that is made up of two components, solute and solvent. Now what is solute and what is solvent? The solute is the substance which is present in the small amount and solvent is the substance which is present in the large amount. Or you can say the solute is the substance which is dissolved in the solvent and the solvent is the substance in which solute is dissolved. For example, salt solution. In the salt solution, salt is dissolved in the water. So therefore, salt is the solute and water is the solvent, right? Water is the solvent. So depending upon water is solvent, अगर water as a solvent है, then we call that solution as the aqueous solutions. If we use any other solvent other than water, then it is called the non-aqueous solution. That solvent may be ether, or it may be benzene, or it may be any other solvent. So depending upon the type of the solvent, if we use the water, then it is called the aqueous solution, and if we use the solvent other than the water, then it is called the non-aqueous solution. The other solvent which we can use, that may be ether, that may be benzene, or that may be any other solvents. Then types of the solution. There are different types of the solution. Types of solution. Depending upon the physical state of the solute and the solvent, there are the different types of the solutions. Depending upon the type of the solute and the solvent, we will write solute here. In the second column we will write solvent, and in the third column we will write the example. First we will discuss the gaseous solutions. In the gaseous solution, solvent taken is gas. And solute, that may be gas, that may be liquid, that may be solid. Depending upon this, we will get three types of the solution. Gas in gas, that is mixture of nitrogen, and oxygen, that is air. Gas in gas, liquid in gas. General example, water vapors in air. And the third, solid in gas, dust in air. Dust in air. Second type of solutions are liquid solutions. In the liquid solutions, the solvent is liquid and solute may be again gas, it may be liquid, it may be solid, right? It's very easy to learn कि इनू आप जनरली किवें लर्न कर सकते हैं. पहला सारे गैस लिख लो, फिर गैस, लिक्विड, सॉलिड लिख लो. गैस इन लिक्विड बहुत जनरली एग्जांपल है. यू यूज द कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स. कोल्ड ड्रिंक इज नथिंग, दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डिजोल्व्ड इन वाटर. डिजोल्व्ड इन वाटर. सेकेंड, लिक्विड इन लिक्विड. कोई भी दो लिक्विड्स नू मिक्स कर दो विच आर मिसिबल. इथेनॉल इन वाटर. एंड द थर्ड वन इज सॉलिड इन द लिक्विड. सॉलिड इन लिक्विड, लिक्विड दे विच तुसी सॉलिड डिजोल्व कर दो, लाइक सॉल्ट इन वाटर और शुगर इन वाटर. दैट इज द टाइप ऑफ द लिक्विड सॉल्यूशंस. And the third one is solid solutions. As the name again indicate, solid solutions. The solvent is solid. Again, the solute may be gas, it may be liquid, it may be solid. Gas in solid. गैस इन सॉलिड दे विच तुसी एग्जाम्पल जिहड़ी लै सकते हो, बड़ी कॉमन एग्जाम्पल है, दैट इज़ द सोल्यूशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन प्लैटिनम. सोल्यूशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन प्लैटिनम. देन लिक्विड इन द सॉलिड. लिक्विड इन द सॉलिड, मर्करी इज लिक्विड, मर्करी इन सोडियम. Sodium is solid. Solid in solid, that is copper in gold. Copper in gold. So these are the 9 type of the solutions we will obtain by varying the solvent, gas, liquid and the solid solutions, right? So this is the type of solution on the basis of the physical state of the solute and the solvent. Next we will discuss the method to express the concentration. There are the different method expression of concentration of solutions. Concentration of solution. Concentration of solution. There are different methods to express the concentration of solution. Now what do you mean by concentration? Concentration is amount of the solute dissolved in the given quantity of the solvent. कि तुसी solvent दे विच solute दी कितनी amount dissolve कीती है, that is called the concentration. According to that we get the different types of the solution upon their concentration. ठीक है. So first we will discuss the percentage. Percentage, percentage, mass percentage or it is volume percentage. First we will discuss the mass percentage. Mass percentage designated by W upon W. It means solute is present in grams and weight of the solution is also in grams. Or simply you can say mass of the solute present per 100 gram of the solution. Per 100 gram of the solution, that is called the mass percentage. So mass percentage W upon W, mass of the component or solute divided by total mass of the solution multiplied by 100. That is called mass percentage. When you take the solute and solution both in the grams or kilograms, that is called the mass percentage. Generally 10% sodium chloride solution means, what do you mean? 10% sodium chloride solution by mass. What do you mean this? It means 10 gram of sodium chloride is present in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. This is called mass percentage. But if the solute and solvent or both the components of the solution are present in the liquid form, then what is the method to express the concentration? The best method is to express their concentration, that is by volume percentage. Volume percentage. What is volume percentage? Volume of the component present per 100 milliliter of the solution, designated as V upon V. दोनों ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ वॉल्यूम च ਲੈਣਾ है, कंपोनेंट सल्यूट ਨੂੰ भी ਤੇ ਸੋਲਵੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ भी. वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज is equal to volume of component divided by total volume of solution multiplied by 100. This is called volume percentage. For example, you take 10% ethanol solution, 10% ethanol solution by volume. This means 10 milliliter of ethanol is present in 100 milliliter of the solution. That is called the volume percentage. This is the 2% mass percentage when both the components are present in the form of mass, and volume percentage when both the components are present in the liquid form. But if one of the component is solid and other of the component is liquid, then we will term the third mass by volume percentage term. Mass by volume percentage. That means mass of the component present per 100 milliliter of the solution. Designated as W upon V. W is the mass of the component, V is the volume of the solution. That is 10% sodium chloride solution means 10 gram of sodium chloride is present in 100 milliliter of the solution. 100 milliliter of the solution. That is called the mass by the volume. So this is the three concentration terms by percentage means: mass by mass, volume by volume, and mass by volume. And the second concentration term we will discuss is the molarity. Molarity, designated by symbol capital M. This is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Per liter of the solution, that is molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. But if you take the volume of the solution in milliliters, then this will become वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन इन मिलीलीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000। हाउ यू कैलकुलेट द मोल्स, +1 च तुसीं डिस्कस किया होया मोल्स किवें कैलकुलेट कर दो। मोल्स वेट ऑफ द सल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स मोलिकुलर मास वॉल्यूम इन मिलीलीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000। दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द मोलैरिटी। ठीक है जी। सेकेंड टर्म इज मोलैरिटी। द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज मोलैलिटी। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मोलैलिटी? Molality is almost same. The only difference here is this is number of moles of the solute dissolved per kilogram of solvent. Per kilogram of the solvent. Molarity ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ? per liter of the solution. Here molality is designated by small m. Small m moles of solute divided by weight of the solvent in kilograms. If you take the weight of the solvent in grams, then multiply it by 1000, and this is weight of the solvent. Solvent again, moles of solute, weight of the solute divided by molecular mass 1000, and this is the capital W is the weight of the solvent. Now what is the difference between the molarity and molality? First difference is of the symbol. Molarity ਦੇ case ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ we designate it by capital M, molality by the small m. The main difference in the molarity and the molality is in the weight and the volume. In the molality we take the weight of the solvent, and in the molarity we will take the volume of the solution. So out of which is much better? Molality is much better than the molarity, because molality does not involve the volume which change with the change in the temperature, and molarity involves the volume of the solution which change with the change in the temperature. So ਜਿਹੜੀ molarity है वो temperature ਦੇ ਨਾਲ change ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ है, but molality temperature ਦੇ ਨਾਲ change नहीं ਹੁੰਦੀ, right? This is the molarity and the molality. The next concentration term is normality. Normality. What do you mean by normality? Normality is like almost same like the molarity. Only difference is there, that is number of gram equivalents of solute dissolved per liter of solution, per liter of solution designated by capital N. N here is number of gram equivalents divided by volume of solution in liters. This is number of gram equivalents volume of solution. If it is in milliliter, then multiply it by 1000. How will you calculate number of gram equivalents? Again, weight of the solute divided by equivalent weight of solute over volume of the solution in milliliter. This is the normality. This is the normality. So beta, these are the some concentration terms to express the concentration of the solution. Next we will do in the next video. Thank you beta.